of the ways in which we can see really the beauty of mathematics as it applies to conflict resolution is, for example, just as a very simple problem, if you have an equation that has x squared in it, for example, x squared equals 16, it turns out that there are two correct answers to that equation, 4 and minus 4.
Yes, I understand. I see. Oh, sound. I can't. Some problem with sound. Oh, yes.
Oh, good. So conflict is a kind of quadratic equation for which there are at least two correct answers.
Negative and positive.
Yes. So when we see that there are two correct answers, then what we discover is that suppressing one of them suppresses half of the truth.
That's beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, Paul Dirac said physical laws should have mathematical beauty.
Yes, that's correct.
Very like quotation. Very interesting. And please, Dr. Kenneth, tell me more about family conflict and your experience in this field. It is very, very actual and very interesting question for Russian. I mean, family conflict, school conflict. You have experience in this field too?
Yes, I have mediated now for 35 years. Thousands of disputes, family disputes, workplace disputes, all kinds. And families are quite interesting and wonderful to work with, in part because they are, every family is unique, or as Tolstoy began, Anna Karenina.
Lev Tolstoy, yes.
Like, unhappy families are very different from one another.
Unhappy families very different, yes.
So, what's most interesting about family conflicts is that there is a much, much deeper desire for a conversation that solves not just the technical problem or the immediate problem, but the deeper problem of how do we work, how do we live together and care for one another in ways that don't cause us difficulty or trouble, or that minimize the amount of pain and suffering that we experience within our families. So what really has to happen in order for this to take place is for there to be someone who helps open the conversation at a deep enough level that allows people to express what they really feel, what they really think, without breaking the relationship apart. And that's what mediation does. It lets people have the real conversations that they've been waiting to have, wanting to have. Do you love me? What's wrong with our relationship? How do we make this better?